YouTube, what the heck is going on? Alright, so I killed the 212 stage, whatever the heck it is. Let's see what it does. Don't do nothing. So we're gonna freaking take this freaking thing apart. Alright, so it had lash caps on it, some mod T-cam, a whole bunch of silicone, arc flywheel. You see this crank scored pretty bad. You see where it's been hot. Turning blue right here. The rod is the same way. Flat top piston. Alright, so I'm gonna take this one apart with some parts I got over here and make one that works. Got two engines, took apart. Now I'm gonna start porting, polishing, cleaning, all that good stuff. Alright, so got the governor arm plugged with a bolt. Got the oil sensor taken out, plugged with a bolt. Got the billet rod on, cranks polished. Get all of this deburred. Any kind of like casting, flashing, or anything that looks like it's gonna fall off. Or any sharp edges, all smoothed out. Let's get started putting this thing together. Alright, so seeing as I messed up a valve seat on this head, I'm using the old style non-Hemi head on a new style block. The dowels are bigger on this block, so I had to drill these out to make it work. I used a 7/16 drill bit, and it's close enough. It'll be fine. So I gotta put this head back together and we should be good to go. The piston was 100 thousandths in the hole and now it's 50 thousandths in the hole, so that should get the compression up a little better. Let's stick this thing back together. Got my valve lash set at 003, coil gap set at 40 thousandths. This carburetor put on with the longer studs, or I can use this air filter adapter. Top plates on, headers on with lock washers and Loctite. Gen 3 non-Hemi block with a Gen 1 head on it. And it does have some serious compression. As soon as this paint gets done drying, I will be finishing this thing out. I put a little bit more timing in it than it had, so it should be fun. Should be fast. Maybe y'all won't see what happens. Maybe I'll just see what happens. Well, that was fun.